Hello students, let us see this question here. Okay, this is the passage given once again, and the question is asked in J Advanced 2013. It is saying, so here the question is asked, so here, right, so what the question is, there is a plant here, and the electric power of the plant is this much, and it is producing at 4000 volt. Right, it is saying which is to be transported to a place 20 km away from the plant for the consumer's uses. It can be transported either directly with a cable of a large current carrying capacity or by using combination of a step up and a step down transformer. So it is saying there are two ways this energy can be transported to the place, right, to the city. So here this question is asking in the form, right, for the another method, that is by using the step up and a step down transformer. यानी कि स्टेप अप एंड स्टेप डाउन ट्रांसफार्मर के मेथड से जो ट्रांसमिशन होगा उस बेसिस पे क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है. ओके, so let us see what is the question. In the method using transformers, obviously it is saying assume the ratio of number of turns in the primary to that of the secondary in the step up transformer. So let us make the figure here first. So suppose here I am getting the plant. Okay, so here some energy is being produced, and here you will get the step up transformer. So let us make the step up transformer here. So this is the primary and this is the secondary. Here in this case, so here the so here it is the plant. So how much power is being given here at the plant? It is given in the question, that is 600 kilowatt, and the voltage at which it is producing, that is 4000 volt. Okay, and this is the step up transformer. All right. Now, so this is the primary coil and this is the secondary coil. Now it is saying here the ratio, so the ratio of number of turns in the primary to that of secondary in the step up transformer is 1:1, right? 1:10. So here suppose it is NP if I write here, and this is the NS I am right here. So it is given in the question only that NP upon NS is equal to 1/10. Okay. Now, if the power to the consumer has to be supplied at 200 volt, so obviously, so this will get, right, from the some wire it will go here, and once again you will get the transformer here. Okay, so once again let us make the transformer, and this will be a step down transformer. A step down. So once again here the, right, this is the primary and this will be secondary here. Okay, and it is saying if the power to the consumer has to be supplied at 200 volt. So here output of this will be 200 volt. It is given in the question. So this is at 200, right, because ये स्टेप डाउन ट्रांसफार्मर है और ये उसी प्लेस पे होगा जहां पे पावर को यूज करना है. तो 200 वोल्ट पे ये कंज्यूमर्स को सप्लाई होगा. ये क्वेश्चन में दिया है द रेशियो ऑफ द नंबर ऑफ टर्न्स इन द प्राइमरी टू दैट ऑफ सेकेंडरी इन द स्टेप डाउन टर्न. तो यहाँ पे ये पूछ रहा है व्हाट इज द रेशियो of the primary to secondary. So this is your primary here and this is secondary here. So it is asking what is the NP upon NS at this place. So this is asking. So let us see here the voltage is NP. So as you all know, this is a very simple question. Only the figure is complicated, right? If I write for the step up transformer, let us see here. If I write for a step up transformer, so NP upon NS, right, that will be equal to EP upon ES. So let us see NP upon NS is given how much? 1/10. So 1/10 C, and EP, so here it is 4000 volt. So this will become 4000 volt here, and ES. So from here I can say ES will become, right, 40,000 volt. Okay. Okay. Now it is saying, okay, so here the voltage is coming this, and this voltage will be transferred to this one, right? That is the primary here. Okay. So I can write once again for a step down transformer. So here the voltage is coming, right? For the primary transformer, the ES is coming 40,000. So here this is the 40,000. So same voltage we applied here also. So here suppose this is having. So this is having your 40,000. So same voltage will come here also. So that also be right 40,000. All right. Okay. So here, so if I write for the step down transformer now, so I will write NP upon NS, that is equal to EP upon ES. So EP, so this is the primary here. So at the primary you are getting the 40,000, and ES is given in the question, that is 200. So that is 200 here now. So this will get cancelled out and you are getting here 200. So see, NP upon NS is 200 upon 1. So option A is correct. Okay students, I hope you understood this question.